So I'm going to show you how to use handcuffs. You don't slap them on somebody's wrist like you see in movies. You can hurt somebody's wrist by doing that. So these are oversized cuffs, so these can be used on legs and stuff, not on a tiny person. And so you want to put them around somebody's wrist and then close them where they get tight enough, and then see where the keyhole is. Because you're gonna. That's how you release them, is with the keyhole. But right inside of here, there's a little piece that sticks down. Okay, and what you have to do is you have to take the end of the key. It doesn't go on the lock, it's the other top end of it where the circle is. On the top end, show you, is right here, okay? The part that unlocks is this part. So you use this piece, and it goes in the hole. See right there where that piece is? So it goes in the hole. And then you push it towards the middle. And what that does is that locks the handcuffs where they can't get any tighter. And that way a person in handcuffs doesn't get damage and stuff like that from the handcuffs. Alright, and then just you have to put the key in the hole, and then when you twist it, up and then back, it releases the handcuffs, and that's how you take them off. Okay? So again, don't slap them on somebody. You use them, you do it with your hand, okay? And then after you get it tight enough, you go into that little hole, and you push it towards the middle to lock it in place. And then with the key, you go up and then back, and that releases the cuffs. Okay? That's how you do it.